16 hours later, and what I've done here is I've pre-mixed the flour, the salt, and the yeast as my dry ingredients here. I am making a double batch, so again, you would need to half this if you're going to do a standard batch. In here, I have 1,000 grams of flour, 46 grams of sea salt, and 2 teaspoons of yeast. And then here's the poolish from last night, and this is about what it should look like when it's ready. It's been about 16 hours. I had it in the basement though, so it stayed cooler. And what we do here is we add 500 grams of water to the poolish. The water is at 106 degrees. We're going to add the water to that, add that to the dry ingredients, and we will mix that up and go from there. Oops. Pause it. And then once this is about mixed up, you can record. All right, record now. So this is what the mixture is going to look like once it's been mixed up with the poolish and the water and everything. And basically at this point, the bread's going to sit for about 12 minutes, and then we will come back to fold it, and we do that 3 times, and it just helps the mixture get a little bit less sticky, because right now, as you can see, it is quite wet and sticky. So as we come back and fold it, you'll see that this changes and dries out a little bit. So we'll see you in a few minutes for the first fold, about 12 minutes.